Good evening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for feedbacks. Thank you for thumbs up, thumbs down. Thank you for everything. And thank you for educating me, because I'm learning tremendously through these conversations. I read your comments and I learn. That's a compliment. Okay, let's talk about the question. Are humans born corrupt, or does society make them corrupt? In other words, is corruption part of human nature, or is created by power, money, and environment? Better say, are human beings born corrupt by nature, or does money, power, environment turn people corrupt over time? This is tricky. In another word, or other words, are politicians genetically corrupt, or does a corrupt system create corrupt politician? You answer. That's my question. I don't know. Come up with answer and educate me too, so you have helped another human being learn. Thank you so much for watching and listening and putting feedback. It's great. It's a great honor to deal with you people. I wish you good life, good evening, and hope everything okay for you, and talk to you soon. Good night.